Hello, and this is Jack, and welcome to another video. And today in this video, I'm going to be playing Foot Pack Simulator again. Okay, so yeah, to take off the last video because it kind of got rain. So yeah, sorry, I'm just doing my backpack, Razbacks, Jumbo Ball, Hernans, McCarthy, Kaka, Martins, Vidal, Verity, Schneider, Manolas, Sahin, oh, Dennis Suarez, whoop. Nazari, Danny, Matthew, Benarfra, Costa, Lucas, Valbuena, Salvio, Nangola, Alexandro, Quich. Another team of the week or team of the season, whatever it is. Rakitic, Killian Scene, Benchike, Remy, Roski, Leon, Joanne Mashup, Luso, oh, a legend! Whoop. I think my sixth legend. No, fifth, I think. Bale, I need to keep him. 88 Bale. Top Rack. Tour. Kidger. Barre. Turan. Hits. Crap. Era. Lars. Dira. Martins. Muller. Sam Morris. Marcelo. Keane. Tegago. Di Maria. Rugani. Di Maria. Okay, I'm going to stop these packs when we get another blue one. Yeah, and then we're going to be moving on to some legend packs. Sorry guys, wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. Just have to check something. Index back. Now yes, okay. We can go on to the legends now. The legend box. Oh, a legend! Whoop. Oh, I already have them. just get a legend. My second best album, I think. Nope. Bender. Tevis. Baines. Miranda. Muslera. Miranda. Higgin. Martin Zinde. Gaten. I'm going to show you my team first. All my players. Okay. I have 12 legends. Okay, so let's go back to browse packs. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Let's go. Okay. Got 14 legends. Jonas. Golden. Best again. Don't like you anymore because I have you already. Darmian. Loris. Oh, another one. Glick. Nista. Gigs and Nista. Vidal. Segura. Gott. Glick. Sanchez. Terry. Next back. Hampshire. When I get one more legend, I'm going to stop this video. Akin Fave. Bilica. Bars. Okay, let me just film up my team, then I'll show you my team. Then we'll go off. Okay, so I have all these. Okay, so that's the end of this video. So, bye!